Guess who? Now, where to put the wreath? Ooh, sounds like Santa's coming early. Hey, Wally, what do you think you're doing?
This year, I'm going to have the biggest Christmas tree on the whole block.
Well, this isn't a Christmas tree. It's my home!
Well, your home is going to spend this Christmas outside my home, covered in pretty decorations.
Nothing says Christmas like a snowman.
This is not over, Woodpecker!
Just gotta find the right place. Whoa! Huh? Santa? Ooh, this Christmas I want a pony and a bike and a skateboard and a space helmet, but I'd be willing to settle for a huge pile of cash.
Fine, you want to go big, little birdie? We'll go huge!
Gotta get this up before... Huh?
Nothing says Christmas spirit like heavy machinery.
Wait for it.
I can't see a thing! Whoa! Where am I? Huh?
Don't worry, this ice is rock solid. See?
Yeah.
Well, I stand corrected.
Phew.
You should really dress more warmly. You'll catch cold. Does it seem a little quiet to you? Too quiet.
Like my grandma Walrus used to say, if at first you don't succeed, blow something up.
Need a light?
Shoo!
Hey, Wally, let's talk this out.
Too late for out-talking, Woodpecker. I have lost my patience.
We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas. And Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, Woody. Merry Christmas, Wally.
Hey, what are we doing, Wally? It's Christmas time. Peace on Earth and all that.
Yeah, you're right. But I still don't have a Christmas tree.
Ah! You do the honors, Wally.
No, you, Woodpecker. I insist.
Together.
Together.
Not bad, but something's missing.